Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do something really different and out of the box, and that is doing my makeup without foundation and concealer. Now I know for a fact that not everybody wants to use foundation and concealer on a day-to-day basis, and people are not comfortable with it, and some people just want to enhance their natural features. So I thought this would be a great video to shoot. So in today's video, I'm going to do my face makeup without using foundation and concealer, and if you want to see how to get that, then please keep on watching. And also, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that red subscribe button, and next to it there's a bell icon. Click on that so that you get notified with everything that I'm putting up on this channel, because there are a lot of interesting videos coming up. And yeah, let's get started. So as you can see that I have no base makeup on right now. I have just applied some mascara and some eyeshadow, that's it. So this is the first thing that I would recommend you guys, is that make sure that you're enhancing your eyes, and the way that you can do that is by applying lots and lots of mascara, and obviously just lining your waterline and your eyelid as well with some eyeliner. This is just going to make sure that your eyes look wide open, and it's going to make you look fresh automatically. Now we're going to move on to the face makeup. So I have been taking care of my skin a lot these days, and as you can see that it looks much better, and I actually do not need a lot of makeup, and that is the reason on a day-to-day basis I actually love using cream products, because cream and liquid products actually look very natural on your skin as compared to using powder products. So I stay away from powder because I do not like that. So the first step that I'm actually going to do is just contour my face a bit, and I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick, which looks like this. So this is a contour stick again, which is a cream product. Now you do not need to do all of these steps. You can pick and choose which step you want to do for your particular skin and which ones you are comfortable with. So this is, I think, in the shade 05 Deep Rich. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slightly contour my face. So just applying it right here. So where my ear actually starts, that is where you're supposed to start contouring, slightly higher, not below. And this is again a really creamy product. So I'm just going to take this Real Technique sculpting brush, which looks something like this, and I'm just going to blend this into my skin. So this just adds slight amount of definition to your face without looking too much. Now the next thing that I'm actually going to use is a blush. Now I have a lot of options for you guys. So the first one is this Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks, which looks something like this. This is a nice cream product to have, which you can use on your lips as well as your cheeks. But again, Bobbi Brown is expensive. So you can also go for this one, which is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek, which is also a really good product to have. Next one is my absolute favorite, and this is the Kryolan Lip and Cheek, and this is what that one looks like. I have been using this for years and I absolutely love the color of this, and the staying power is also really nice. Or you can also use like a tint on your face. So this is a Benetint by Benefit, which looks like this. So today I'm actually going to use this Lakme 9 to 5 one, because I thought that most people can actually buy this online, and this is also really affordable. So this is in the shade Pink Plush. You can use whichever shade you want, whichever looks natural. I am just going to take some of this and apply slight amount of it on my cheeks. Now this is a very pigmented product, so make sure you're not applying too much at one go. Just blending it with your fingers. So as you can see, this product just makes your face look much healthier as well. That's why I love using cream products. And obviously keep a beauty blender handy so that you can blend it really nicely into your skin. So this is how it looks like, and now I'm just going to apply this on the other cheek. So this is how my face looks like once the product is all blended into my skin, and as you can see, it looks much prettier and natural. The second step is one of my favorites, and that is actually using a liquid highlighter on your face. I do not like using powder highlighters whatsoever, because they sometimes look really artificial, and I want that natural glow from within sort of a look, so I prefer using liquid highlighters. So I have two options for you guys. So the first one is this Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand, and this is what that one looks like. This is a very beautiful liquid highlighter. It just adds such a nice glow to your face. But again, this is only available on cultbeauty.uk. So if you cannot get this, don't be disheartened, because I have a second option for you guys, and this one is the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter, and this is in the shade Liquid Luminous Gold. I recently purchased this and I must say that the glow with this is intense. I really love it. So I'm actually going to use the Charlotte Tilbury one today because I really like the effect of this. So just taking some of it on the back of my hand, okay, and actually what I do is I use my beauty blender, take some of it and then just, you know, press it into my skin. As you can see, it's beautiful. I absolutely love it. I'm just actually going to show you how to use this Makeup Revolution highlighter as well. So again, I'm just taking some of it on the back of my hand. Again, this is a very intense product, so make sure you're not using too much of it. So taking it on the tip of the beauty blender, okay. My nose actually just shines naturally, so I do not apply any highlighter on it. But yeah, this is what I do. So this is what my face looks like once all the steps are done, and as you can see, it's so easy to do. You just need a few cream products, and I absolutely love doing this on a day-to-day basis as well because it just looks so beautiful and natural, and that is what I love doing. And obviously a lip product is must to just complete the whole look, and I've already used a lipstick. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video wherein I do not use any sort of foundation or concealer and get this natural and beautiful look for my face. Obviously, if you are a person who has really oily skin, then make sure you at least use some sort of powder to set everything in place, because otherwise it's just going to look really greasy and oily and you do not want that. And if you did like this video, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. All the handles are mentioned on the screen. And last but definitely not the least, please hit this red subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Love you.